Okay, so I did want to show you my little setup I have here. Obviously, it's not well maintained or adjusted yet, but here you go. This is the OLED, which I was controlling through here so that you can see all my OBS. I do have this dock underneath it so that you can connect multiple devices or cables, I mean. Or yeah, I think devices as well. And in the back, you have this cable that goes to the screen here. And then I have the ElGato HDMI that goes to the input of the ElGato 4K X, I think that's the name, the new one. It goes here, USB-C for power, that also goes to my desktop, and then the HDMI out that goes to the desktop as well. I have my OBS here. I added the ElGato as a video capture device. So all I had to do was just connect to HDMI to my Steam Deck, and then it worked instantaneously. But of course, you do have to change the settings for the screen to fit nicely. Otherwise, in the very beginning, I had it like a little corner here, but I changed the settings within the Steam Deck like I showed you through the display buttons right here. And now it's showing. If you do switch from the desktop to the ElGato gaming mode, let me go ahead and do that. You'll see that it fits perfectly. Okay, so I just exited out of there, returning to game mode. Obviously there's no signal, so once it loads back, you'll see that it'll come back. Okay, so I do have the library opened and it's showing well here, but it's not showing here. My guess is that since it's connected, it's basically using that screen as a television. And you would be able to also do this for additional screens here. Unfortunately, I can't really show you since I do have a lot of files open that are personal, but this is basically the way to use this device to play on a monitor, kind of similar to how you would use this to stand for a television and whatnot. Let me see what happens if I launch a game, if I'm also able to see it on my Steam Deck. Okay, so no, it's not showing the game on the Steam Deck itself. It's only showing it over here. So yeah, apparently when you're in desktop mode, it will show here, but if you're in handheld mode, it'll only show on the screen that it's connected, unless of course I disconnect it. From the settings, I also noticed you can stream your game, meaning you can go ahead, if you go into Steam settings, stream play here, but still stream it on the television. It won't be connected to stream like this as far as I know, but that's kind of what I learned so far. But yeah, overall, it's a very exciting new piece of gaming system that I have alongside all the other ones that I do have. If you've seen my other videos, especially the recommendation of what items I recommend for you to buy as a gamer, you should check that out. I'll also post it on the at the end of the video. But yeah, this was a not really brief video on what to expect of the Steam Deck, but basically how to not only download, Call of Duty and Battle.net and whatnot, but also how to connect to your OBS. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. And then of course, comment section, if you can also help out, I would greatly appreciate that. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing out more videos the more I learn about this device.